back here with another video, and today we will be unboxing something. And I got some Hot Wheels from the store. So let's get into this video. I guess let's first start off with the Hot Wheels. They're not anything like, they're pretty cool, but they're not like anything like extremely special. I'm going behind the camera for this just so you guys can see them. I got this U-Hauler, which is kind of cool. I got this Corvette Hot Wheel. I got like this like muscle car type one, like muscle car surf shop Beach Boy one, which I thought was kind of cool. And then I got this one. So yeah, we got those Hot Wheels, which are kind of cool. But that's not why you guys came to this video. You came to this video to see me unbox this, which yeah. Okay. Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. I would grab a Jason mask and do this video, but I really don't feel like doing that. I could, but I really don't. I just don't feel like it. So yeah, let's get into the. Let's get into unboxing it, I guess. I would show you the packaging, and no, this didn't come from. No, this did not come from Walmart. The guy used a Walmart box. I must have bought it from. Which I'm not really. You guys already know what it is from the title, probably. So yeah, I'm not really saying what it is just yet, but yeah. The stuff inside's fragile, so I'm being careful the way I'm opening this because I don't really want to just use a knife. The guy or girl, I'm not going to assume, whoever I bought this from has it taped up pretty tight, so yeah. And remember, when you're using a knife, always be careful. There's my little PSA for the day. Okay. This is going to be a long time to open this up. Oh, there we go. I could cut to a time lapse of me opening it, but I almost have it open, so. There we go. Here we go. My phone just went off. I don't know what that was about, but it just went off. So, yeah. Let's go. Here's a little bit of the inside. Sorry, I know we're in the middle, but I'm just going to take a little bit of a water break. There you go. I just got back from rack climbing. Okay, so here's stuff. Well, yeah. So I don't know the best way to open this. Show you. Okay, let's take this out first. Oh, sweet, in really good condition. This gives away what it is. It's Coke stuff, but this case is in really good condition. Okay, let's get to the bottles, I guess. All 6 of them over there. 2. Okay, 1. Okay, I'm gonna just get rid of this. I'm just putting these all on the table. I'm just getting rid of this box. And anything else? We can just yeet the box. Okay, so we got 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! I can count. There we go. But there we go. How that? I'm not joking on it. I can count. You know what? Okay, this I'm just going to. I don't want to break this. Okay, there we go. So this I will need to kind of. I will need to work this a little bit, but yeah, got that. I don't know how I'll get this to reform. I don't want to break it. I will get it to reform. I don't want to break it though, so Probably once I get the bottles in it, we'll probably reform. There we go. So let's get to opening these. The person that I bought these from wrapped these up really nice. I'm excited to see these. I'm not seeing these in person yet. Oh my god. Oh, yes! Oh, they look so freaking good. Yes! They look like the old ones. Property. It says property of Coca-Cola bottle CO. Oh, yes, I'm so glad I got these. These are really nice. So if you hear talking in the background, it's because I believe my mother's on the phone. But yeah, let's just start to put the bottles on. I'm just gonna set this to the side. Well, I'm so glad these came. Well, came today at least. I'm so glad to have these because these are they're not from they're not original Coca-Cola bottles. They're made by Coca-Cola, but they're not the ones from when Coca-Cola first came out. This is a set from 2007. It was like a special edition holiday thing that they did. And this is the entire set of them. I got all 6, and really the price I paid wasn't half bad. A lot of people are asking like ridiculous amounts of money for them. But I got it for $25 with free shipping, which is not that bad because a lot of them, you'll go on eBay and you'll see everyone's for like $30. But the problem is it's like $12 shipping, $14 shipping, $30 shipping. Like the shipping is ridiculous, and I don't know what this wrapping is. But it is pretty cool. It's like I don't even know. I'm not using a knife to open these so we'll need to. There we go. Two. And then the last bottle. I'm so glad to have these. These are what they all look like inside the case. Yeah, they look really freaking nice. So that's really the end of the video. Oh, one thing, let's just... Okay. I'm done doing that. Alright. I know that I'm standing... Let me just, my outro really fast. Ooh, Coke Chef. But, yeah. Let's just end this up so it's more of the head of me. Okay, so, hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe if you're new here. I post videos. I really don't have a schedule for posting videos. I try to do every Tuesday and Thursday, but usually doesn't happen. So, yeah. You guys know what to do. You're awesome. Stay humble, stay kind, and happy Friday the 13th, I guess. Yeah. So, whatever you guys are doing, make sure you try your hardest with it. What am I doing here? Where am I going with this? But stay humble, stay awesome, guys, and you know what to do. Just keep being yourself.